Hi, this is Anne. Today I'm gonna make something similar to this that I've already made, but I'm just gonna use my this is just a craft paint, and I've got a stencil and a little sponge, and I'm just gonna try and I want to see how it looks when I make it with paint. I think it can also look very nice. So I'm just gonna randomly dab this. I'm not sure where I'm gonna cut my heart, and I don't mind. I don't want to overthink it. And now I'm going to just let it dry, and then I will come back and cut it. Okay, this one you can see is about 9.5 centimeters, and it's rather big. You can see with my hand there. And then this one is about 13 by 13.5 maybe, and that one is 10 by 10. So you can make your own, or you can use a template. It doesn't really matter. So all I'm not going to do is I'm going to use this as a template, and I'm just going to cut it out, and then I'll show you further. Okay, I'm just going to make about 5 millimeters all around. I'm just going to use this as an ice pick, and I'm just going to make holes all around, and then I will show you what I'm going to do, but I'm going to speed this up. This is just felt that I've got that's folded. I haven't got a thing that you work onto. I'm just going to work on this and make sure I don't go all the way. I've just taken these. You can use a thicker one or whatever you've got. It doesn't really matter. And I've taken 150 centimeters. You can roughly see that there. And I'm just going to make a stitch like this, or you can just go like that. It doesn't really matter. And I'm going to start in the bottom. But I'm going to leave a little bit of a tail there that I could knot at the end. And then I'm just going to... So you take it from the back. And then you loop this around. I just want to secure this one a little bit. So then you just keep on holding that one, and you just go from the back again. So I'm just going to keep going all around up to about there, because I want to put stuffing in there, and then I'll close it. So I'm just going to speed this up, or maybe cut some of this out. The shorter your string gets, the easier it becomes. So you can just take it from there, go to the back, through the hole, and keep it with your thumb there, and just pull it tight. And then you put it again like that, hold it with your thumb, go from the back and pull it tight. So you keep it tight, go from the back, and pull it tight. So I'm going to stop round about there, because I want to fold this, and then I'm just going to quickly finish this. Now I've just taken a plastic bag and cut it in half, and I'm going to fill up through that piece that I left open there. I'm just going to push it in, and then I'm just going to close that gap there. Just make sure you go into those 2 half rounds in there, and just push it in there first, that it can lock up a little bit. You can put a whole one also in if you want. It depends on how big your bag is. I don't want to make my hearts too big. Now I'm just gonna go up to the end, and then I will show you what I'm gonna do. Okay, now I'm at the end, so I'm just gonna take my, go over that yarn there and just take it there just to tighten it up. You can see I've tightened it up there, and then I'm just gonna knot this, and you can even make a tassel or something to be here at the back. So I'm just gonna knot it, and then you can decide if you want to cut it off or work it into your heart. You can maybe just take it and take your needle and go to the inside, you know, and come out there. But I'm gonna leave it on. So I hope you enjoyed it, and you can see you can make you a few, and it's gonna look very nice, especially on a present or something that you can use it for. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I will definitely see you next time, and take care.